Today I'm showing you how to use Fairy Skip the Soap Power Spray the correct way. Plus I'm going to give you my honest opinion on whether it's actually worth buying. Now first up, whether you're using a dishwasher or washing up by hand, it's super simple. All you need to do is scrape off any large bits of food, then spray the Fairy Skip the Soap directly onto the dishes or the cookware. Then either pop it straight into the dishwasher or wash it by hand. Now for tougher messes like the air fryers, griddle, or even cookware, here's what you need to do. Give your cookware a good spray with the Fairy Skip the Soak and leave it to sit for up to 20 minutes. Now as soon as I sprayed it on, you can literally see the grease starting to lift. Now I left mine for a full 20 minutes, so now it's time to give it a wash. Now, normally I'll be scrubbing away, which feels like an hour, but this time it's taken minutes. The cleaning was way faster and easier. I was actually surprised. Now, there's even more. You can use the Fairy Skip the Soak on kitchen surfaces like countertops or even cabinet doors. But just a heads up, it's not suitable for marble, granite, or even untreated wood, so always test it in a hidden spot first if there's any doubts. It's even fine to use on your kitchen appliances, like your stainless steel, but not on brushed steel, copper, or even aluminium. Now, just to be clear, this is not to replace your usual everyday dish soap. This is just to help with those tough jobs where soaking is always required. Now, my honest opinion, I really thought this was going to be a bit of a waste of money, especially since I've always washed by hand. But now I no longer need to dread scrubbing my air fryer or casserole dish. This spray really does take the stress out of those tough jobs. And for that alone, I say it's worth keeping in the cupboard. Now let us know if you've already bought Fairy Skip the Soak, or are you thinking of giving it a go? Let me know in the comments, and please do share your own experiences. I love to hear how it's worked for you.